These niggas said it hurt me. I heard.
What's good, guys? I am going to tell you a little trick to get rid of the hiccups every single time. Okay, guys, this is a crazy trick, and most y'all won't believe me, but works for me every single time. Last night I was playing some GTA, just keep on grinding, getting that money. And basically all the trick involves is this. So you just go like this. You take your water, right? Basic water. You think you just drink it, but no. Take your right hand, or whichever hand's your dominant one, or whichever hand you want to use. Pull down your right earlobe till it's visibly down. I don't think you guys can see very well. Till it's visibly down, and just drink water for about 5 seconds. And once you're done, you shouldn't have the hiccups. That's all I wanted to show you today, guys. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.